your candidate witness, I don't have any. You did not handle any BVAS machine in that polling unit. Witness said no. INEC, from your observation, the polling unit official went away with the form EC8A that has been signed by the party agents and presiding officers, right? The witness said yes. INEC, that will be all. Second and third responding cross-examination, Okala-san. The second and third respondent lawyers say, take a look at the subpoena you came to court with. Exhibit PCL kindly confirm that it was not addressed to Women and Child Initiative, but it was addressed to you. Witness said yes. Then Tinubu's lawyer said, not only was it addressed to you personally, but it was addressed to you with your direct village address. Witness said yes. Then Tinubu's lawyer said, from your observation at the polling unit, you can confirm that voting went on smoothly and results were announced there. Witness said yes. He said, you can also confirm that the electoral officers complied with the Electoral Act from your observation. Witness said yes. And then Tinubu's lawyer said, at the end, the result went to the collation agent. Witness said it was not uploaded. Tinubu's lawyer repeats the question. And the witness said, does it have to go to the collation center before it is uploaded? The whole court laughs. And Tinubu's lawyer repeats the question. Now, the witness now said, yes, that is what they told us. Tinubu's lawyer said, will you be surprised to see it was uploaded on IREF platform? Witness said, I wouldn't be surprised. Second and third, that is all. Fourth respondent cross-examination starts, which is APC. Then the APC said, my lord, that witness is a gentleman. I have no question for him. Court laughs. Court, any re-examination? Labour Party lawyer said, none, my lord. And the court said, you are discharged. May we call our next witness, Efa Aseya. Witness affirmed before the court. Tell this court your name. Witness, Kefas Eya. What do you do for a living? Witness, civil servant. And the LP lawyer said, you are here on subpoena. Witness said yes. Do you have a copy of it with you? Witness said, civil servant. Tell this court your name. Witness, yes. LP lawyer said, can I have it? Witness, yes. Then the LP lawyer said, my lord, we wish to tender it all respondents, no objection. The court marked it as PCN. On the 19th day of this month, that is from LP lawyer, on the 19th day of this month, you made a witness statement on oath which you signed in this court. Witness said yes. If you see it, will you recognize it? Witness said yes. How will you recognize it? That is the LP lawyer asking the witness. And the witness said he will recognize it with the signature. Then the LP lawyer said, would you want to adopt it as your statement? And the witness said, yes, my lord. Then INEC lawyer said, we object for similar reasons as we have raised before. We will advance in written address. Tinubu's lawyer said, we object and stand by the argument we have already argued and will be bound by my last ruling on those arguments. Then APC said, we object for same reasons, canvases. Then the LP lawyer said, having adopted his statement, we are done with the witness. We will give filler answer to the objection at the address stage. The court ruled cross-examination. First respondent cross-examination. As an INEC ad hoc staff, you were properly trained. Witness said yes. INEC lawyer said, you discharge your responsibilities as supervisory presiding officers. Witness said yes. That is on the cross-examination by INEC lawyers. Then the INEC lawyer said, how many units did you supervise? I and Suleiman Mustafa supervised 24 units in my ward. INEC lawyer said, and now asked, how many units are in your ward in total? Witness said 24 units in Malagali ward. And INEC lawyer said, do you know how many wards in the local government area? And the witness said there are 10 wards. How many local government areas are in your state? Witness said 21 local governments. That is the cross-examination of the witness subpoenaed by the Labour Party, and INEC is doing the cross-examination. So the court now asks, which state is that? And the witness said Adamawa. So INEC lawyer continued, aside the small issue we referred to in paragraph 8, between the APC and the PDP agents, there was no other issue. Witness said no, except the transmission. And INEC said, aside the transmission, there was no other issue. Witness said yes. INEC, even this issue was satisfactorily resolved. Witness, yes. That is the latest transcript that we have for everybody that came out from court so far. And with what we have done and the time constraint and having hit it back and forth and having so much network issue, we just want to thank you for being there with us. We want to thank you for your comments and for joining the group that is having a meeting presently, and we want to leave now so that we can see if we can still join that very meeting where obedience and well-meaning Nigerians are deliberating. The final transcript we have maybe on the screen as we speak is saying, INEC said you did a good job with that, and the witness said thank you. The whole court laughs. INEC said they are just confirming, and the witness said yes. INEC now said the scores were compiled in the Form EC8As and results were properly announced. Witness said yes. Then the INEC Form EC8As were taken to the ward collation agents and they said yes. Now, INEC continued, as a supervisor, it was not your duty to handle the BVAS machine. The witness said yes. INEC said that will be all. Second and third cross-examination, which is Tinubu's lawyer, came on now and said, you are not here to testify on behalf of INEC. Witness said yes. Tinubu's lawyers now continued. As a matter of fact, the subpoena was not addressed to you through INEC, but to you directly, correct? The witness said yes. So still having this transcript coming out from the courts, so even when the network is giving this thing, so we keep pushing it out as we could. Lawyer to the Tinubu continued impressing the witness. He said, that is because LP know you are their sympathizer, so they chose you. It was a question. And the witness said, I am an INEC ad hoc staff. I am not partisan. So Tinubu's lawyer now said, who won the election in Adamawa? Witness said PDP. Then Tinubu's lawyer continued, all presiding officers who worked under you complied with the requirements of the Electoral Act in the conduct of the election, right? Witness said yes. That is the transcript still coming out from the court. Tinubu's lawyer continued, you can confirm that in all the polling units you supervised, accreditation went on smoothly using the BVAS machine. The witness said yes. Second and third respondent, that is the lawyer of Tinubu, continued. You can also confirm that notwithstanding the difficulty we experienced with uploading some results, the collation of EC8As took place in the ward. The witness said yes. Second and third, which is still the Tinubu lawyers continued, will it surprise you to know that the results of the 24 polling units you supervised were uploaded? That was a question. I think tendering of all respondents has no objection and the court marks it. And I think that is as much as we can take from the court that is coming out, because the court's already in the context of adjournment, and we just need to go and join this meeting. So thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.